watching ERi-TV, dear viewers. Welcome to English News Broadcast for this hour. I'm your reporter Bersa Bataghla, and coming up are the major headlines for today. A decline reported in the prevalence of communicable diseases in the Denden subzone. Maternity waiting rooms put in place in Ansawa region. Shooting in Brussels. And 7 injured and thousands displaced due to floods in Ghana. On your local reports, Mr. Gabrahiwat Takhasta, head of health service in the Denden subzone, reported that the subzone's communicable disease prevalence has significantly decreased due to the combined efforts of community and health practitioners. Mr. Gabrahiwat continued to say that the achievements were made possible by sustainable environmental sanitation activities, pesticide spraying, clearing mosquito breeding areas, and raising public awareness of the diseases. Additionally, according to Mr. Gabrahiwat, the number of pregnant women giving birth at medical facilities has increased by 88%, and the maternity waiting rooms that have been installed there have a major positive impact on the health of both mothers and their babies. The head of the Denden Health Center, Mr. Berhe Hadgu, urged the public and administrations to enhance their collaboration with healthcare facilities, citing the role that sustainable environmental sanitation initiatives play in reducing the incidence of infectious diseases. 3 health stations, 1 hospital, and 1 health center offer the general public active health services in the Denden subzone. As part of the effort to provide timely treatment to pregnant women, maternity waiting rooms have been put in place in 24 health facilities in Ansawa region. Mr. Taghla Tesfa Mariam, head of family and community health at the Ministry of Health branch in the region, said that preparation is underway to put in place maternity waiting rooms in the remaining health facilities. Mr. Taghla also called on pregnant women to take advantage of the opportunity being provided for the sake of their safety and their infants. There are 37 healthcare facilities and 1 referral hospital in the Ansawa region that offer the general public active health services. On your last local report, in collaboration with the government and the people, a new dam is being built in the Denden administrative area, Logo Ansawa subzone. The administrative area's inhabitants expressed their hope that the dam, which can hold 100,000 meter cubes of water, would significantly help to develop irrigation farming and ease the current problem with water supply for people and livestock. The administrative area's administrator, Mr. Zaragabr Tesfai, stated that after the dam is completed, the residents will have access to potable water in their own backyards, despite the fact that they previously had to go a considerable distance to acquire water for themselves and their animals. The project coordinator, engineer Sahala Girmatian, said that 78% of the construction has been completed and praised the inhabitants' active involvement in the dam's development. The viewers will take a short break, but coming up is your international reports and more. Do stay tuned. Welcome back. Belgian police have shot dead a man suspected of killing 2 Swedish nationals and injuring a 3rd person in a gun attack, condemned by the country's leader as terrorist madness. The accused, a 45-year-old Tunisian national, died in hospital after being shot in the chest. This is according to the Belgian media. Officials said earlier that police had opened fire and neutralized the suspect following an intensive overnight manhunt in the Belgian capital. Prime Minister Alexander De Croo said the man had been living in the country illegally. The suspect's death comes after a man who identified himself as a member of the armed group ISIS claimed responsibility for the attack in a video posted online. On today's final report, floods have been affecting southeastern Ghana since 13 October, caused by a Kosombo Dam overflow in the river Volta. resulting in casualties and damage. According to media, as of 13 October, 7 people have been injured and more than 4,000 people have been displaced in the downstream of the Akosombo Dam, in particular in Volta region. In addition, according to media reports, essential services such as access to water and electricity are all disrupted. Dear viewers, that was all with your domestic and international reports, and now a very quick recap of the major headlines. A decline reported in the prevalence of communicable diseases in Teseni subzone. Maternity waiting rooms put in place in Ansaba region. Shooting in Brussels. And 7 injured and thousands displaced due to floods in Ghana. The viewers, that was it for today. Thanks for watching.